to feed baby calves. It snaps onto a plastic bottle, and it's one of the first jobs we ever had. Rahco is 50 years old as of last year, and this actually is a carryover from the company that we evolved out of. So this is a feeding nipple, snaps onto a plastic bottle. It's filled with a milk type substance to feed baby calves because they don't want the baby calves weaning off their mothers. They want the mothers to go back to producing milk. So it's natural rubber, so it's real tough, real snappy, so that they can't, the baby calves can't gum it to death. It's very resilient. You can see the slit that's been put in here as a secondary operation because we can't really mold it in. It has to be what's called a normally closed slit, so it'll seal up so milk won't drip out of it, and then we pigment it with an FDA approved pigment. The entire rubber compound is FDA compliant for food grade service.